Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Welcome to Home Garden Remedies. And you're gonna subscribe for more gardening tips and vlog. For today, we're going to have unboxing vlog. I'm opening a fresh set of gardening essentials from Shopee. Join me as I unbox neem oil, a natural pest control. You must have it in your garden. And then vermicast, a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, and pumice, perfect for soil aeration and drainage. Okay, let's start with the first item. This is the neem oil. I've been using neem oil since I started home gardening. I use them my ornamental succulents, flowering plants, and what's this, vegetables. It's just that you have to know the proper way to use the neem oil. Okay, so for neem oil, it is an organic pesticide and insecticide, and I also use as soil conditioner. Yeah, because when you water your plants with neem oil, it's better. It can kill the unnecessities. Neem oil spray, it says here, kills aphids, spider mites, ants, whiteflies, and adult insects while preventing fungal infections and black spot. That is why this is actually a ready to use 500 ml refill pouch. So this is cheaper actually. And then that's why I told you it's good for the soil, because it protects your roots. It makes your soil healthy. It's not only for spraying. So let's smell if it is authentic. Oh yeah, it smells neem oil. This is better than the commercial insecticides and pesticides for your home garden. It is also good for your health, of course. And then the next product that we're going to open is the vermicast. Vermicast is the poop of the earthworms. Okay, there are farmers who are culturing this one. They are taking care of them. It's the night crawlers. If you find what's this, earthworms in your pots, in your gardens, in the soil, don't remove them. They are helpful, beneficial to your soil. Okay, let's check if this is legit. I've been using this to add for the soil, and I can also use this as vermicast tea. For the next vlog, we're going to make vermicast compost tea. Okay, this is the legit one. This is the real vermicast. See, it is. And then this is 2 kilos. One pouch is 1 kilo. And then we're going to make vermicast tea soon. And then I will mix it to my soil mixture. Okay, the next item will be the pumice. This pumice, I need it for my pilea, succulents, and aloe vera. I just need them. Pumice is very helpful to make the soil well draining and aeration purposes. This is the size mungo size, because there is the corn size, and then matanghito size, and the mungo. This is very helpful in making our plants healthier. So these are the products I have: the neem oil, the vermicast, and the pumice for now. So that's it. I'm going to put the link in the description where I bought these ones in Shopee. Anyway, there is someone selling in the orchidarium the vermicast, the pumice, but I don't have time for now to go out, and that's why I ordered from Shopee. Anyway, For those who did not yet try these ones, we're going to have vlog soon about this, how to use. And then, so that's it. Just subscribe to Home Garden Remedies, wherein we believe that all plants grow with love. Tiyanog kabasan mon.